What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shawn, GILL CPA with Neutron Tax. Today I'm going to go over when the best time of year is to do your tax planning. So let's get right into it. The best time of year to do tax planning is any time before the year is over. Preferably at least in the middle of the year, usually in the summer. June, July, August, those are great times to do it, with the earliest being the best. June is the number one time. But the reason I said any time before the year is over is because there's something people don't think about with taxes is that your year is closed at 12/31/20 whatever that year is. So in 2023 that's 12/31/2023, which is December 31st, 2023. Anything that happens after that, the year is done. As far as the IRS is concerned, you cannot go back and make retroactive changes. And when I say that, I mean specifically for business owners, who most of my content here is for, right? There's a couple things you can do, such as contributing to an IRA, to a SEP, or to your HSA, but anything else you can't do once the year is over. So let's say in this year, if it's 2023, your taxes are due April or March 2024, depending on how you filed. If we come up with a plan saying, hey, did you know you could expense the car insurance for your business vehicle? You forgot to put that in your accounting and you didn't pay it out of your business account. I can't go back and say, well, you did pay it out of your business account, let's retroactively date that, and now it's valid from January 2023 to December 2023. We can't do that. It's over. All I can do is make sure you start doing it in 2024. Yes, we can do the IRA contribution or the HSA, little things, right? Things that don't typically help a ton, but the big stuff, like you have a business where you need a fleet of vehicles, right? Maybe you're a contracting business, or you yourself needed a new car and you wanted to buy it through your business. You can't do that in February of the next year and get a tax benefit for last year. That's something that has to be done by 12/31 of this current year, the tax year that's actually in question. Right, so we can come up with those ideas and say, hey, if you had bought a car last year, you needed a new pickup truck anyway. If you had bought one, you could have deducted it and wrote off 60 grand. Too bad, can't go back and do that. That's why the best time of year to tax plan is in the actual year that you're in, but mainly in the middle of the year, because then you have the beginning of the year to know how much money you've made so far, and you can kind of predict out what's going to be the rest of the year, and you can kind of also estimate your expenses, so you can somewhat forecast your profit for the year. You know, in June you might say, okay, well, I thought we were going to do 200K this year, but we've only done 50K so far. Maybe we'll only hit 100K, but our expenses are lower than usual. I thought they were going to be 20K, but they're 15. So I'm predicting this much profit, and then these months we typically do XYZ. So you can kind of do a forecast, and then you can take precautions, whether that be increasing your estimated tax payments, expensing something maybe you've been leaving out or you've been forgetting. You didn't know that you could take your health insurance, depending on, if you're an S Corp or whatever it may be. Maybe you didn't think about that, but we can catch that in June and then make sure you do it for the rest of the year. Can't really do that next year, right? And that's why it's so important that you do your tax planning throughout the year, okay? Because we can get on top of all these things and make sure you optimize your taxes, aka minimize your taxes, before it's too late. If you want to talk to a CPA about your tax situation, as far as optimizing things, making sure you're taking every expense you can, every deduction you can, and just minimizing the taxes you'll have to pay at tax time, click the link in the description below to schedule a consult with me, and we can go over all of your tax details, your situation, different strategies and plays that you can make to lower your taxes, and cover everything. First consult is free, and then I can give you a quote for our services if that's something that you're interested in and if it makes sense for us to work together. But I highly encourage you to speak to a professional before the tax year is over, so you don't make a mistake by missing out on something you should be able to take on your expenses and your deductions for your tax return. Again, my name is Shawn, GILL CPA. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I answer all the questions in the comments, and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace. So that was the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. It helps me grow the channel. If you need help with your taxes, you can book a call with me directly at the link below in the description, and you can also sign up for our email list. We only send out an email about once a month, and that's everything I need to tell you. So I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace. Have a good day. Appreciate the views.